Have you ever wondered how salt is made? Salt is one of the most important minerals on Earth. It is used in cooking, food preservation, medicine, manufacturing, and countless industrial processes. But before it reaches your kitchen table, salt goes through a fascinating journey. One of the most common methods of producing salt begins with seawater. The process starts at large coastal salt farms. Seawater is pumped into a series of shallow evaporation ponds that can stretch for hundreds of acres. As the water moves from pond to pond, the sun and wind slowly evaporate the water. Over time, the concentration of salt increases. As more water disappears, tiny salt crystals begin to form on the bottom of the ponds. This natural evaporation process can take several weeks or even months, depending on weather conditions. Eventually, thick layers of salt accumulate across the pond floor. Once enough salt has formed, specialized harvesting machines move into the ponds. The machines scrape the salt crystals from the bottom and gather them into large piles. The harvested salt is then transported to a processing facility. At the factory, the raw salt is washed to remove sand, clay, and other impurities collected during harvesting. The cleaned salt is then crushed and screened into different sizes, depending on its intended use. Some salt is processed into fine table salt, while larger crystals may be used for industrial purposes or gourmet cooking. For table salt production, the salt undergoes additional purification. Advanced equipment removes remaining impurities and ensures a consistent texture and appearance. In some facilities, iodine is added to help prevent iodine deficiency in populations around the world. Anti-caking agents may also be added to keep the salt flowing freely. The purified salt then moves through industrial dryers where any remaining moisture is removed. After drying, the salt passes through quality control inspections. Samples are tested to ensure they meet strict food safety and quality standards. Finally, automated packaging machines fill bags, boxes, and containers with finished salt. The products are sealed, labeled, and prepared for shipment. From there, the salt is transported to supermarkets, restaurants, food manufacturers, and homes around the world. Not all salt comes from seawater. Some salt is mined from underground deposits that were formed millions of years ago when ancient seas evaporated. These underground salt deposits are extracted using massive mining equipment before being processed and refined. Whether it comes from the ocean or deep beneath the earth, salt remains one of humanity's most essential resources. From seawater to sparkling white crystals, the journey of salt is a remarkable combination of nature, engineering, and modern manufacturing. And that's how salt is made.